Just moments ago, China released 2 free and unlimited AI video generators, and they are completely changing the game.
Good God, what just
Sora
happened?
2 and VO 3.1 are powerful, but they either cost hundreds of dollars a month or require an invite to use. But these new tools deliver the same high-quality results for free. The first one creates cinematic videos, and the second is even better at lip sync. I'm going to show you both of these tools, but please note the access rules for these tools can change at any time. Alright, let's dive right in. The first tool we're talking about is called ChatGLM. This is a brand new tool from China. To access it, you need to go to its official website. When logging in for the first time, you may need to register. The only hurdle here is that it might require you to use a phone number for verification. Once you've completed registration and logged in, you'll enter the main interface. This model's functionality is similar to ChatGPT. You can talk to it about almost anything and ask any questions. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the AI drawing option. Here you can generate almost any image you like. For example, let's test a new prompt. A vintage red sports car parked on a neon-lit street on a rainy night. Reflections on the wet pavement, cinematic, high quality. We'll change the aspect ratio to 16.9. As for style, I'll leave it blank for now, but you can see how many styles are available. For example, photography, Ghibli, Van Gogh, Japanese anime, and many more. It's very rich. Then there's also a remove watermark option here. But unfortunately, this feature is currently only available to VIP users. So images generated by free users will have a watermark. Okay, I'll click send. Let's wait a few seconds. You can see it's already started generating 4 images and it's very fast. The results are out. Frankly, I think they look absolutely brilliant. For instance, this first image is beautiful. Then the second, third, and fourth. In my opinion, the third one is the best. The lighting and composition are outstanding. If you want to download, you can click the download button directly. There's also a 4K ultra clear download option, but this feature is limited to 10 uses per day. Alright, we're pretty much done testing the image part. Now, let's talk about the video features. On the left menu, you'll find the AI generated video option. Click on it and you'll see a large number of video examples below. We can try to recreate one of these videos. For example, let's try this video here. I'll copy the prompt from here. Then I'll click Create Same Style. Here we have 2 options, generic generation and image to video. We'll use generic generation and paste in our prompt. Next are the basic parameters. For generation mode, I'll set it to faster speed. Video frame rate, I'll set to 30. Video resolution, 720p is fine with me. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. The video duration here can be increased to 10 seconds, but that's only for VIP users. Okay, once you've set all the options, we'll click generate and watch the actual progress. You can see the video is now in the queue. Every week I bring you free tool reviews. If you found what you just saw valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's check the result now. In my opinion, it did a very good job. Unfortunately, there is a watermark in the bottom right corner, but overall, I think the quality of this video is quite good. If you want, you can also add background music to the video right here. You can also click the download button to save the video to your computer. I really like this video. It has a strong 3D animation and Pixar style, and it's reflected very well in this AI-generated video. Let's look at another video created by others on the platform. I think this one also looks superb, and its quality seems even a bit higher than the one I generated. So this is definitely a platform worth using for generating images and videos. Now let's talk about the second AI video generation platform, which is called LTX Studio. This tool is also very good and has some cool features like text to video and image to video. You can also install this model locally on your computer. Because it's open source, you can use it locally completely for free, which is very convenient. Now let's talk about using this platform's online option to generate AI videos. What we need to do is click text to video or image to video. As for the prompt, I think I'll just go to ChatGPT and have it create an interesting AI video story prompt for me. Okay, we've got a very simple prompt. I'll copy the first prompt and paste it into LTX. For the model selection, you can pick whatever you like, but I'll choose the fast, optimized for speed option. Video duration, you can set it up to 20 seconds, but I'll choose 8 seconds here. The minimum resolution is 1080p. That's better than the 720p from the last one. I'll keep the frame rate at 25. Audio here, I'll select on. Okay, click generate video. Let's wait a few seconds for it to finish. On this platform, you can also generate images. We'll talk about that after this video finishes. All right, the video result is out.
This is the one, the brother memory?
I think this one looks much better than the 3D Pixar style one from before. Its quality is higher, although it also has a watermark in the bottom right corner. Let's watch the video.
This is the one, the brother memory?
In my opinion, it did a great job, and the quality is high. If you want to download it, you can click this button to save it to your computer. Now, let's talk about this platform's AI image generation. We can click Image Gen Space, and we can also enter a different prompt here. In the model section, you can see how many powerful models it has integrated. For example, Flux, Flux Premium, and Nano Banana. I'll select Flux 1, and then I'll input this prompt. A woman in a beige trench coat drinking coffee on a Parisian street at dusk. Soft bokeh background of cafe lights, depth of field, photorealistic. Set the aspect ratio to 16.9. There are also some advanced options here, like style reference, where you can upload your own image. And there's a style option. You can pick whatever you prefer, but I'll keep it no style for now. I'll click generate. You can see it starting to generate 6 images at once, which is quite a lot. Let's look at the actual results. I think all of the images look very, very realistic, and the quality is definitely there. So, yes, the image results are also very good and photorealistic. So, overall, I think you should also try LTX Studio for generating images and videos. Of course, the first tool we introduced, ChatGLM, is also free, and you can also use it to generate quite high-quality images and videos. All right, that's all the content for this video. Now I'm curious, what are your thoughts on these 2 free AI tools? Which one do you prefer? Share your opinions in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next